Hi, my name is Spencer Dallas, and I've finished my first year at Queen's University studying computing as an undergrad student. I'm here today to show how I was able to easily code classic arcade games that run on the UP3K device here at ARCX. As a first-year student, I don't have an abundance of coding experience, so I've spent the last few weeks learning how to code on HTML5, JavaScript, and FlexFrame. After familiarizing myself with these, I began to code some simple games to demonstrate how to code for a UP3K. I have completed Space Invaders as a demo, and converting the code to run on the UP3K system was easy. The only changes I had to make to my computer-based code was adding one line of code to gain access to the UP3K's hardware, and changing my keyboard inputs to UP3K inputs. After this, I was able to run my code from the server on the UP3K device, with added access to integrated analog input and output and other network protocols. To use the UP3K, I first had to learn FlexFrame. FlexFrame is a web application development framework designed for single-page, full-screen UP3K applications. Essentially, with a few simple FlexFrame commands, I'm able to host a server that allows me to run my code on the UP3K device.